We would like to acknowledge the Wurundjeri people, the traditional owners of the land on which we are gathered today. We would like to pay our respects to elders both past, present and emerging.
Hi everyone, it's Mia here. On behalf of all of the school captains, we would like to reassure you all that we are all safe and we are in this together. To do so, we have put together a short video. Enjoy!
You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think. And you can get through this because
we're all in this together.
It's a challenging time for everyone currently, but we're all doing an amazing job of pushing through.
At-home learning may not be your first preference, but just think about how amazing it will be once we can get back to school and see our friends and teachers. If you're finding this challenging, look around you and you'll have your amazing family to support you.
Just remember, you're not the only one going through these tough times. Your parents and siblings are as well. So make sure you're always saying thank you and just being kind around them, because it's a tough time for everyone, and just make sure to stay positive.
We are so lucky to be able to learn through this challenging time. So we have to make sure that we are trying our best to do our part with our own education. Okay, quick joke. Why can't you give Elsa a balloon? Because she would just let it go, let it go.
We hope you enjoyed that video. Just remember to stay safe, always smile and have a good laugh, be healthy and find things to do that make you feel really positive about yourself. Now here are the eSmart captains.
Hi everyone, I hope you're all staying safe inside and still being responsible online. Since we are all stuck inside at the moment, Anthony and I have made a list of apps to help stay connected with friends and family in these times. These apps are Google Meetings, Skype, Messenger Kids, and lastly, FaceTime. That's all from me. Make sure you guys are still staying safe and responsible online. If you have any problems, you can email Anthony or I. Now, on to Anthony.
Hey everyone, I also hope you're all safe inside with your family. What I will be talking about is an app that you can collaborate with other students and have fun. Most of the Year 6s will know this app. It's called Hopscotch. Hopscotch is a coding app where you can create a whole bunch of different games. You can also check out what other people in the community have made and play it. That's it from us guys. Stay safe and keep your family as well.
Hey everyone, are you all keeping up with your home learning? Hopefully you are, because the teachers have been putting in amazing effort to do your whole home learning program.
If you would like some of the art challenges, you can join our senior art classroom. The code is, in all lowercase, NQ4EVIN. Hope you're all doing okay at home. What we do in the classroom is every 1 or 2 weeks we post a theme. You can draw, paint and do whatever you want, so you never run out of ideas. And if you think you have a good idea, feel free to add it into our new ideas list.
Go. And you don't just need to put in your theme art. Feel free to put in anything you like. When we use this, there is just a few rules. No hate comments, please only write nice things. If you have something mean to say, don't say it at all, otherwise we can remove you from the classroom. Please don't post inappropriate things, and don't use the chat if you have something unnecessary to say.
Thank you.
Hi guys, we're back for another assembly. Hopefully you've been getting up and doing a lot of physical education. Like, did you do the chalk walk? Or Miss Fraser's dance? Surely you did the push-up challenge. Hopefully you've been getting up and off your iPads and doing some exercise. Like going for a walk, a run for a couple of minutes, while still doing all your school activities you need to do.
So some of the things that you could be doing during snack and lunchtime are, if you have a trampoline, practice a really cool trick and then post it on your home learning portfolio for your teacher to see. And I'm sure your teacher would love to see you do that because they can give you encouragement and you can keep trying with the feedback from your teacher. So I'm sure your teacher would love to see a cool trick that you've learnt. Do a fun sport like kicking the footy or get a soccer ball or a netball or a basketball and just do something fun, and maybe you could pair up with your siblings or something like that, and when you both have snack you can both go out and maybe do one of those fun sports, or maybe you can get your parents involved as well. Go for a morning run every morning. Some days of the week I've been going for a run and it just really gets me set for the rest of the day. And the last thing that you could be doing is making the obstacle course like in the PE that Miss Max put up. So just use your everyday household items and you can just make a really cool obstacle course for you and your family to do. But there are a lot more things that you could be doing, and it is important that we stay active and healthy during these hard times, but also keeping our fitness up. Also, if you happen to have, if you happen to do something or achieve something, make sure that you're posting it on your home learning portfolio for your teacher to see, or you can present your screen in your Google Meet times so the whole class could see. Also, the last thing is weekly challenges. So if you want to participate in the weekly challenges that Miss Fraser does, then they really keep your activeness up and your fitness up to help. So yeah, make sure that you're doing something productive during snack and lunchtime and getting out of the house and off our device, but also trying some of the stuff that Miss Max put up and Miss Fraser's put up for the weekly challenges.
Hello everyone!
Great job to everyone who's been completing their music work at home.
We have got a new challenge for you guys to have a go at if you...
The challenge we have come up with is that you have to record sounds around your house and neighbourhood. Then make them into a simple song or beat in GarageBand or any other app you want to use.
Then you can post them on the assignments that will be on the middle, junior and senior classrooms.
Also, if you would like to join, choir is held on Monday afternoons at 2:30 p.m. for the seniors and Year 4.
At 2:30 on Wednesday for the grade 3s. If you are already in choir, please do your best to show up.
That's all from us. Thank you.
Okay, before you get started, you need a clear drinking glass, 1/4 of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, water, and food colouring, but it's optional, and if you don't have it, it's fine. So you fill the glass with 3/4 full of water, pour it in, and about 5 drops of dye, food colouring. And then you pour the vegetable oil in slowly and see how the oil floats to the top. Sprinkle the salt on, then you'll get a
Hi, I'm Safi, and today Mariam and I are going to show you how to make a simple dish from another country. The country we chose today was China, and the dish that we are going to make is fried rice.
Ingredients: cooked rice, it's better to use overnight leftovers, eggs, ham, or instead of ham you can use prawns if you're not allowed to have pork, corn, carrot, peas, spring onion, or any other veggies you prefer, such as cucumber, onion, and etc.
Step 1. Put a wok on a cooktop. Also get another plate or pan to put the ingredients in when cooking. Step 2. Pour a little bit of cooking oil into the wok and wait for it to get hot. Step 3. Crack the eggs into a small bowl and sprinkle on some salt. Whisk the eggs and pour it into the wok and cook it like scrambled eggs. Step 4. Put more oil in the wok and cook the ham or other protein. Step 5. Put some more oil into the wok and mix all the veggies together.
Step 6. Mix all the protein, veggies and rice together. Keep frying. While frying, add in a little dash of the following: salt, pepper, chicken stock, soy sauce and sesame oil. Step 7. Serve in a bowl. And you're done.
Enjoy!
Hi everyone, hope you had a great week studying. Firstly, I just want to say thank you and congratulations to the school captains for bringing together our assembly. I'm sure you've all enjoyed it just as I have. Secondly, here it is, the long-awaited Gaga pit, ready for the senior school students when they return. So something exciting for you all. Lucky last, hope you all enjoyed yesterday, the project-based learning day. We certainly had fun watching the videos and the photographs rolling through, and your teachers have let me know how excited you all were doing the projects. So well done. Quick glimpse, 2 weeks time. The theme is fairy tales and superheroes. Have a great week everyone, stay safe.
Just a Croydon school under isolation rules, making learning fun from anywhere. Principal Holdsworth always puts the students first, making sure we're safe from anywhere. He's had a really cool idea, the most fun we've had all year. On Thursday the 7th of May, the fun will go on and on and on. Homemade board games, at home with the family. Homemade board games today. Homemade board games, better than Monopoly.